Today we're going to tackle a common issue that many WhatsApp users face: media not sending. Whether it's photos, videos, or voice messages, we've got you covered. So let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes the simplest solution is the most overlooked. If you're on Wi Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa to see if the problem persists. Here's how you can do it. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick settings panel. Check if you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Next, let's make sure you have enough storage on your device. WhatsApp won't be able to send media if your phone is running low on space. Here's what you need to do. Go settings on your phone, tap on iPhone storage of your phone, or if you have Android, go to storage and USB or storage. Now check how much space is available. If you're running low, delete some unnecessary files or apps to free up space. Now, let's ensure WhatsApp has the necessary permission to access its storage. Go back to settings on your phone, tap on apps or applications, and scroll down until you find WhatsApp. Now, tap on permissions. Now, make sure storage and cameras permissions are enabled. Also, incorrect date and time settings can also cause issues with WhatsApp. Ensure your date and time are set correctly. Go to settings of your phone, then on general, on and date and time, and make to sure to be tapped on set automatically. Sometimes a simple restart also can fix a lot of issues. Hold down the power button and select restart. After your phone restarts, try sending the media again. And that's it. I hope one of these solutions helped you fix the issue of WhatsApp media not sending. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.